This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact policy and your authority to cancel. This avoids delays. Once done, collect your ID, policy number, and a recent statement so verification is instant. Make sure to choose your channel now: branch for in-person signatures, phone for quick confirmation, or secure online message if you prefer written proof. You want clear evidence of the request. That helps your bank process refunds or stop future premiums fast. You verify policy status and next premium date to prevent an upcoming charge. After confirming, submit a signed cancellation request. Use the bank's form, secure message, or email with scanned ID attached so there's no ambiguity. Be clear. State effective cancellation date and refund preference. Ask for a written confirmation number and the expected processing timeframe. This gives you leverage if the bank later claims they never received it. Keep copies of everything. You finish by confirming the refund or premium halt and checking your account over the next 7-30 business days. If a charge appears after cancellation, escalate immediately. Visit a branch, call BPI customer service, and file a written dispute with timestamps. Make sure you have all proof, confirmation emails, screenshots, and signed forms, because you'll need them for chargebacks or regulator complaints. If the process stalls, request a supervisor and note the reference number for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.